JetBrains versus VS Code. Which one is actually better for developers? In this video, I will break down the pros and cons of both to help you choose the right editor. So make sure to like and subscribe. So first is their user interface and setup. VS Code offers a lightweight, fast, and customizable interface right out of the box. While JetBrains IDEs such as intellij IDEA or PyCharm are more resource-heavy but come packed with built-in features that support productivity from the start. Second is their features and extensions. VS Code relies heavily on extensions. You will need to install and configure tools for version control, linting, debugging, and etc. While JetBrains, on the other hand, includes many of these by default, like database tools, advanced refactoring, and code inspections. Third is their performance. VS Code is known for speed and minimal system resource usage, and JetBrains apps can lag on lower-end machines but deliver robust support for enterprise-level projects. Fourth is the language support. Both support a wide range of languages, but JetBrains often provides deeper integration and intelligent code assistance, especially for languages like Java, Kotlin, or PHP. Next is their pricing. VS Code is completely free and open source, while JetBrains have free community versions, but full functionality requires a subscription. So, for final verdict, you can choose VS Code if you want a light, free, and highly customizable editor. And you can choose JetBrains if you prefer an all-in-one solution with enterprise features and deep integrations. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.